Didi, can you now teach us about tablets?
Yes, of course. I was just coming to it. A tablet is a compact device that is similar to a smartphone or a laptop or computer. Nowadays, tablets are very popular because of their ease of use, portability, and features. It can be used to browse the internet, check email, download and read books, play games, watch videos, or organize content. Tablets are of different types. Here are a few of them. Booklet is the simplest form of the tablet PC, which looks like a book. The device has a display on both sides and comes with touchscreen functionality on both the screens. This device has handwriting recognition software that allows you to write on the screen just as you are writing on the paper. Slate is the most common and most portable type of tablet PC. It is generally used as an entertainment hub to watch movies, browse through web, watch videos, make video calls, and chat with friends. Convertible tablets look almost identical to a traditional laptop. The only major difference is that they come with a touchscreen display which can be rotated 180 degrees. A hybrid tablet includes best features from Slate and convertible tablets. Hybrid tablet comes with a detachable keyboard which can be attached to the Slate tablet using the provided slot, making the tablet converted into convertible of tablet PC. A rugged tablet suits those users who have to work in harsh environmental conditions. They are extremely durable due to their shock-proof internal hard drive and a protective shell. It is also important for you to keep in mind that before using the device for the first time, you should charge the battery for at least 6 to 8 hours or until the battery is fully charged.
How do we charge the battery?
Just follow these steps. First, insert the cable into the charging head and plug in the head into a standard AC power outlet. The device will start charging automatically. After the device is fully charged, just unplug the charging head. To save power in the device, you can turn off the screen by pressing the power save button, which will turn the screen to lock screen mode. Repeat the process to reactivate the device.
What is the correct way to turn off the device?
Follow these steps when you wish to turn off the device. First, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. Then, a menu will appear confirming that you would like to power off. Touch Power Off to turn off the tablet. The home screen of a tablet is the starting point for the applications, functions, and menus. You can customize your home screen by adding application icons, shortcuts, folders, or widgets. Swipe the screen left or right to display additional screens. So far, you have learned how to use a computer, mobile phone, and a tablet. Let's now take part in this fun activity.